Day 7, we're a week in. Had a good camp here last night at Leake Beach. I'm still very tired for some reason. Pop's making something for breakfast. I think he's making an omelette. Or scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs, Pop. It was also meant to be getting sunny today. It was meant to be clearing up. I don't see that happening.
When I wake up in the morning, drinking coffee on my balcony, trees are dancing to the whistle of the wind. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. When it's dark, light my way. Bless my heart, Lord, bless my day. I had a hard time, but you've always been around. Please don't leave me, Lord, stay around. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. I've got it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything.
Oh yeah, bloody
I've got
delicious.
it all. Oh, your light is shining, and I'm thankful every day. Lord, I'm thankful for everything.
It's like paradise. You just can't swim. It's the biggest tears there. Done myself a mischief. I nearly busted ass on this rock. Plug blew out when I was climbing down this rock. Explain what it's like up here, hey? All you can say is that people have to come and experience it themselves. It's too nice. I told Lenny to kick her shoes off because it's mud flats. She's definitely gonna sink. Pop's got his off. It's like an abandoned resort at the tip, and we drove past it last time we were here. I said if I came back I want to come in and have a look, so we're just having a quick sticky beak. And look at this, there's a pool in here. Wow. Look at that. A building in there. Looks like a little shack over here. Look at this. Probably like a kitchen, like restaurant area in there. And then this is accommodation over here by the looks of it. Yeah. Look at this. It's actually, like, structurally it's alright. Like, look at it. Yeah. Still got the downpipes are all intact. The roof's still here, or most of it. I reckon you could come up here and just clean this up and stay here. It's crazy. Look. Wardrobe in there, there's a shower in there.
Coconuts falling down everywhere.
Yeah, there's coconuts everywhere. There's another place in there. Solar hot water system up the top there. This would have been the little bridge out to the pool area. It's bloody unbelievable. I wonder if anyone knows what happened to this place. Put something down below because this is pretty crazy. Yeah, look at this. This would have been a big kitchen area, cold room. Couple of big cold rooms. Wow. And this would have been where they served. There's still fans up in the roof. This is literally, it feels like something out of Jurassic Park in here. Like it's just, they kind of just ran out and just left everything here. It's weird. Very, very weird. I don't know if a cyclone came through and just destroyed it one wet season or something else happened, but it's pretty crazy. There's another building way back in there. Wow. Very crazy. This obviously was the track in. You pull up here, check into reception. Bar, food, pool. It would have been nice in its day, I bet you, but now, what a shame. Just pull mum and dad over to Seisha, have a look at the jetty, check out the water. Yeah. Rightio. We got back to camp a few hours ago and just been chilling out. Mum and Dad had a little bit of a nap and I tried to get some editing done, which wasn't very successful. We're going to go up to the bar, have a few drinks and maybe have dinner up there. We're not sure yet. We're definitely going to be cooking up a damper tonight. Mum and Dad are really keen to have a damper, so I told them I'd make them up one tonight. So we'll do that when we get home. It could be in a slightly inebriated, is that how you say that word? Slightly drunk state. So wait and see how it goes. Still loving it here. This is beautiful. It will be very interesting to compare Loyalty Beach to Punzen. So that's probably a big thing that we'll do, Loyalty Beach to Punzen. A little comparison for people wondering where to stay. What I can tell you in comparing Loyalty and Punzen straight off the bat is that at Punzen you have dedicated sites, so you have to book a site, which can be good and bad. One, you're guaranteed a certain amount of room, which is always handy, but two, is only very limited amount of sites that are actually really good. Whereas here at Loyalty, it's pretty much camp wherever you want. There's powered and unpowered, but within those two sets of frameworks, powered or unpowered, you camp wherever you want. So we're in a powered hut here. We've got power just there, which, to be honest, we didn't really need power, but we got it because it's got the roof over our heads and we didn't have to set up gazebos and tarps and stuff, so it made life easier. You know, people just kind of lob up wherever they can. They don't squish in too hard. It's kind of just a bit of camping etiquette, but the camping grounds go for a long way down, so it's pretty good. The other thing I'll tell you about Loyalty is when you're looking at the amenities, they say they have hot showers here. That's not quite correct. The men have cold showers and the ladies have a hot shower. So in the ladies block and the men's block, there's 3 showers. In the men's block, all 3 showers are cold. In the ladies block, 1 shower doesn't work at all, 1 shower doesn't drain at all, and the 3rd shower is hot. So they actually technically have a hot shower and cold showers, if that makes sense. But they've got washing machines and dryers and stuff. I think it's $5 to use the washing machine and $5 to use the dryer. You need exact coins, so come up here with a lot of kind of gold coins. And I'm sure they're going to get the other showers and stuff fixed. I'm sure that's only a temporary thing. Otherwise, the amenities are really clean and it's a really nice area here. I haven't been up to the bar or the restaurant yet, so we'll check that out when we get there and then we can compare that to Punzen. And who knows what the amenities are like at Punzen yet. We're not sure. We're not even sure what our campsite looks at Punzen yet. Looks like at Punzen yet. So it's all a little bit of a mystery. Anyway, we'll scoot on up.
When it's dark, light my way. Bless my heart, Lord, bless my day. I had a hard time, but you've always been around. Please don't leave me, Lord, stay around. From the cradle to the grave, you give me everything. from the grave.